I never made it, but I know I did.
Hey guys, and welcome back for another tutorial. A lot of my tutorials are like super intermediate, sometimes advanced moves, and they're not necessarily easy, which I realize if you're wanting to learn pole, that's probably not gonna help. So I'm making a couple of more like basic tutorials, they're kind of like intermediate too, but today we're doing basic, and I'm just gonna teach you a basic pole climb. I'm sure it's no fun watching these dance tutorials and being like, well shit Alyssa, I can't do half the things in there, so why are you even teaching me this? So we're gonna kind of go over some more basic things. So starting with the most basic thing, today is a pole climb. Everybody wants to learn how to climb a pole. Everybody needs to know how to climb a pole. It's like the first thing you can do before you do anything else on a pole. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put a leg against the pole, doesn't matter whichever you like more, and you're going to take that leg and put it against the pole like so. You want it at a slight diagonal, not a full diagonal, not all the way straight against it. This will do nothing for you. You want it just enough to where it's on the side of your knee here, and it's on the side of your ankle, outside side of your ankle, inside side of your knee, and it should be pressing against your leg. From there, you're going to take your arm and you're going to bracket it against the pole. So what I mean by that is you're putting it right against the pole. Same arm as leg. You're also grabbing in a normal grip like this, not a cup grip, which we talk about a lot. It's you're actually gripping the pole. So this leg is going to be pushing against the pole. This arm is also going to be pushing against the pole. Your other arm, which is the outside arm, is going to be reaching above. And again, you're gripping like this, not like this. You're going to be reaching above. This arm is going to be pulling up, and it's going to be doing the pull. So from here, you take that last leg, and you're going to put it against the pole, but on the opposite side. It's going to be the same. You don't want it straight. You don't want it on the outside. You want it at a slight diagonal, so where you have the inside of the knee pressing against it and the outside of your ankle pressing against it. So when you hit that, you should have the knees lining up. The pull should be like in between the knees, like it's gonna be more towards the top of your thighs. Don't have it all the way in. This is gonna do nothing for you, as you can see. So you want it to be here. The pull should be like right above your knees. So here and here. So it's in between the knees. It's also gonna be in between the ankles. So both of the ankles are pushing into the pull. So once you're there, all you do is you pull up. And then you can grab above. Now you're bracketing the other arm. And this arm really pushes into the pull. So you can let go of those legs and regrip. And then again, pull up. I don't know if you can see me in the camera now, but that is how you do a pole climb. So also for coming down the pole, you can come down like the reverse of how you went up, or you can literally just put the pole between your thighs and slide your way down. I'll show you how to climb down though properly, and re-show you how to climb up. So again, slight diagonal with the back leg, arm brackets against the pole, other arm reaches up, other leg comes to meet it so that the pole is in between the ankles and the knees. Pull up, and now your other arm is re-bracketed. You use that arm to push against the pole so you can release those legs and re-grip and pull up. So now to come down, you're just literally gonna squat down, grab below, drop the legs, squat down, grab again, and you're back to the floor. So that's how you do a pole climb. If you have any questions, comment below. If there's anything else you want to learn, comment below. If you want to learn more advanced stuff, comment below. Or if you want more beginner tutorials like this, comment below. Or if you want more dances, just let me know what you want and comment below. All right, hope you guys are having a great Monday. I will see you in the next tutorial.